Okay, so remember when like setting up an email sequence felt like the most high-tech thing you could do in marketing?
Oh, yeah.
Things have changed, haven't they?
Yeah.
We're diving into a world today where setting and forgetting is basically ancient history.
Yeah.
Get ready, because we're going to explore AI agents.
Yeah.
They're like digital assistants for your marketing team.
Interesting.
We're going to uncover what they are, how they work, like how they learn and adapt, and the crazy ways they're changing the game for businesses.
Right.
We'll break down 5 key types of AI agents that are like making huge waves right now.
Cool.
And then to make this super practical, we're going to even talk about how to pick the right AI agents for your needs and like how to get over those little challenges that always pop up.
It's always something.
It is always something. But real quick, before we jump in, just a quick note.
Okay.
We pull information from a bunch of different places to give you guys like the latest and greatest info. Okay.
Sounds good.
But the AI insights we're talking about today are
Mhm.
really for educational and entertainment purposes.
Right.
Accuracy isn't guaranteed. So as always, please use this information responsibly and ethically.
Of course.
Think of it like a fun exploration, not like professional advice.
Yeah. I mean, it's all about responsible experimentation.
Exactly. All right, so let's get down to business. What exactly are AI agents?
All right. So imagine this.
Okay.
You've got this marketing tool, right? But it doesn't just follow some like pre-programmed rules.
Okay.
It actually learns from information, it gets better over time, and it even makes decisions based on what it's learned.
Oh, wow.
That's AI agents. They're not just automating tasks, they're like evolving along with your business needs.
It's like having a team member who's constantly learning and getting better.
Yeah,
That's pretty amazing.
it is. And the best part is it's not some futuristic fantasy anymore.
Right.
It's happening right now. Studies show that almost a quarter of shoppers are already totally fine with AI tools handling parts of their shopping.
That's really interesting. I have to admit, the idea of an AI picking out my new shoes is still a little weird to me,
Yeah,
but I'm open to it.
yeah. And you're not alone. What's even more interesting is that that number jumps to over 30% for Gen Z. They're
Oh,
all over this tech. And get this, over a third of people actually prefer AI-generated content
really?
when it's personalized.
Wait, they prefer AI over something a person wrote?
It's wild, right?
I would not have guessed that.
It really shows how good AI agents are getting.
Wow.
It's not those like generic robot messages anymore.
Yeah,
AI can create truly personalized experiences now, and people really like that.
that's pretty incredible. Okay, you've got me hooked. So what kinds of AI agents are out there like actually changing marketing?
Let's start with the customer support rock stars. AI customer service agents.
Okay.
It's like having a team of super efficient reps who never sleep.
Oh, nice.
They answer questions 24/7. They can handle a ton of conversations at once, and they even remember what each customer likes.
So no more waiting on hold or getting passed around to different departments.
Exactly.
Sign me up.
Then we have the unsung heroes of every marketing team.
Okay.
The support agents. They're the AI workhorses, you know?
Yeah.
They take care of all those time-consuming tasks like scheduling social media posts, analyzing campaign data, and crunching numbers.
Okay.
So your human marketers can focus on the big picture stuff and the creative thinking.
Makes sense. So they're like the efficiency masters.
Totally.
I mean, who wouldn't want an extra set of hands like that?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And speaking of creativity,
Okay.
we can't forget the AI agents who are totally revolutionizing content creation.
Oh, yeah.
Think of them like your in-house copywriters and designers,
Interesting.
pumping out everything from social media posts to blog articles and marketing materials.
So no more writer's block.
Exactly.
Or staring at a blank page.
That's right.
That's a game changer.
It really is. And then there are AI agents that are like Sherlock Holmes for your customer data.
Okay.
The analytics agents,
Oh.
they go through mountains of information about your customers, you know, from their browsing habits to what they buy, to find trends and even predict future behavior.
So it's like having a crystal ball that tells you what your customers want before they even know it themselves.
You got it. And finally, we can't forget the behind-the-scenes masterminds.
Okay.
Technical agents.
Okay.
These AI agents make sure all your marketing systems are running smoothly, integrating and operating all the tech you need.
Okay, so they're like the ones who keep the whole operation running without a hitch.
Exactly.
Essential, but often overlooked.
For sure. Now, each of these AI agent types is pretty amazing on its own,
Yeah.
but what's really cool is what they can do beyond just automating tasks.
Oh, okay.
And that's what we're going to dig into next.
Okay. I'm ready to go beyond automation. What are we talking about here?
Let's start with scalability.
Okay.
Think about all those late nights you've spent, you know, like manually scheduling posts or answering a ton of customer questions.
Oh, yeah.
AI agents can handle that no problem. And here's the best part.
What's that?
They can manage 100 conversations just as easily as 10.
So, like, no matter how big your business gets, they can keep up.
Exactly. And that scalability goes hand in hand with efficiency.
Okay.
Yeah, you might need to invest a bit upfront to set up the AI agents,
Uh-huh.
but they end up saving you so much time and effort in the long run because they can take over all those repetitive tasks.
Right.
And then your human team is free to focus on more important things.
So it's not really about saving money. It's more about making the whole team better.
Exactly. It's about letting your human marketers focus on, the strategy,
Right.
the creative problem solving, the relationship building with customers,
Yeah.
while the AI agents handle the grunt work.
So it's like a real partnership.
Exactly. And speaking of partnerships, let's talk about personalization.
Okay.
Everyone's talking about how AI can do personalization at scale,
Right.
but is that really possible or is it just hype?
Yeah. I'm curious about that too.
It's totally possible, and it's one of the coolest things about AI agents.
Really?
Imagine every single customer feels like they have their own personal assistant, someone who knows exactly what they want and a brand that really gets them.
That sounds amazing.
It is. And AI agents make it happen by analyzing tons of data.
Okay.
Everything from customer conversations and purchase history to social media and browsing habits.
So they're like little detectives.
Exactly. They can understand what each customer needs and prefers on a level that was impossible before.
Hmm.
And then they use that knowledge to create a personalized experience across the board.
Okay, this is way beyond just putting someone's name in an email subject line.
Right.
We're talking about a whole new level of personalization here.
Exactly. And that leads to stronger customer relationships, more engagement, and ultimately more sales.
So everyone wins.
Everyone wins, I'm telling you.
Okay, I'm convinced about the potential. But how do I actually make this happen? How do I bring AI agents into my marketing?
It starts with choosing the right AI agents for your specific needs.
Okay.
It's kind of like putting together a team of specialists, each one with its own skills and strengths.
So it's not like a one-size-fits-all thing?
Definitely not. You have to think about your goals, your budget, your current tech setup, and the areas where you need the most help.
Okay.
Like, do you need help with customer service, content creation, data analysis, or all of the above?
That makes sense.
Uh,
So how do I actually choose the right agents? What should I be looking for?
the first thing is to figure out what you really need.
Okay.
Which tasks are taking up the most time and resources for your team? Where are the biggest bottlenecks in your workflow?
Okay.
Once you know what your pain points are, you can start looking at AI agents that can fix them.
So it's all about finding the right tool for the job.
Exactly. And you also want to make sure the AI agents you choose can work with your current systems and software.
Yeah.
You don't want to create more problems trying to make everything work together.
Right. Integration nightmares are the worst.
The worst. And don't forget to think about the future.
Okay.
Choose AI agents that can grow with your business.
Oh.
You want your AI tools to become even more valuable as your business gets more complex.
So find something that works now and can adapt later.
Exactly. But let's be real for a sec.
Okay.
There are always challenges when you're implementing new tech.
Oh, yeah, for sure. What are some common roadblocks I might run into, and how can I get around them?
Well, one of the biggest challenges is system integration.
Uh-huh.
Making those new AI agents play nice with your existing tech can be a headache.
I bet. So what do I do? Do I have to get rid of all my old systems?
Not necessarily. The trick is to start small and build up from there.
Okay.
Don't try to do everything at once.
Right.
Start with one AI agent maybe for a specific task and make sure it integrates smoothly before you add more.
Okay.
And always pick AI agents that have good support teams so you can get help if you need it.
That's really good advice.
Hmm.
Start small, test, and then scale up gradually. What other challenges should I be ready for?
Another thing you might run into is team acceptance.
Okay.
Some people might not be so happy about working with AI.
Yeah, I can see that.
They might worry about their jobs or be unsure about how to collaborate with these new AI colleagues.
It's understandable. Change can be scary, especially when it comes to something like AI that could change everything.
Exactly. So what you need to do is emphasize the partnership aspect.
Okay.
You want to present AI agents as tools that can help the team, not replace them.
Right.
Start small, provide training and support, and show off the wins early on.
Okay.
When people see the positive results and understand how AI can make their jobs easier and more fulfilling, they'll be more likely to accept it.
So it's all about building trust and proving the value.
Exactly. And another important challenge is data accuracy.
Okay.
AI agents are only as good as the data you give them.
Right.
If your customer data is outdated, incomplete, or messy, Your AI agents won't be able to do their best work.
So it's like garbage in, garbage out.
Exactly. That's why you need to have clean, organized, and up-to-date customer data.
Okay.
It's the foundation for making AI work effectively.
So data hygiene is key. Got it. This has been super helpful. But before we wrap up, I'm curious about what's next for AI agents in marketing. Where is this all going?
I mean, it does feel like we're at this really exciting point with AI.
Yeah, it really does feel like we're on the edge of something huge.
AI is changing so fast. What we're seeing now, it's really just the beginning.
Right.
AI agents are getting better all the time.
Yeah.
More sophisticated, more intuitive, and they're becoming a bigger part of everything we do.
So it sounds like AI is here to stay.
Oh, yeah.
It's not just a fad.
No.
And it's going to keep changing marketing in ways we can't even imagine yet.
Totally. The businesses that are really going to succeed are going to be the ones that use AI strategically.
Right?
It's about finding that sweet spot between human creativity and AI.
Yeah.
Using AI to help people, not replace them.
That's a really important point. It's not about humans versus machines.
Right.
It's about humans and machines working together.
Right. Exactly. The best marketers will be the ones who can use AI and still keep that human touch.
Yeah.
The empathy, the creativity that makes marketing really work.
So what's like the one thing you want our listeners to take away from this?
Yeah.
What should they be doing now to get ready for this AI future?
Start exploring now.
Yeah.
Don't wait until everyone else is using AI and you're stuck trying to catch up.
Right.
Start playing around with different AI tools.
Okay.
See where AI can actually help you with your marketing. And start using it.
So take action. Don't be afraid to jump in.
Exactly. And remember, this is an ongoing thing.
Okay.
The world of AI is always changing, so you have to be ready to learn, adapt, and adjust your strategies as new stuff comes out.
That's great advice.
Yeah.
So in this whole new world of AI agents, what's the one thing you really hope our listeners will remember?
AI is a tool.
Okay.
A powerful tool.
Yeah.
But still a tool.
Right.
It's up to us humans to decide how we use it.
Yeah.
Use it responsibly, ethically, and always remember the customer.
Well said. That's a perfect way to wrap things up. Thank you so much for being here today.
My pleasure.
And to everyone listening, we hope this deep dive has inspired you to check out the world of AI agents.
Yeah.
Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more deep dives into the latest marketing trends, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's keep talking about this in the comments below. Until next time, happy marketing.